What if owning your dream cabin didn't cost a fortune? Well, your cabin in the woods fantasy just got a whole lot more real. These affordable tiny house cabin kits aren't just cute, they're ready to order, ready to build, and ready to blow your mind. No fluff, no fantasy, just real cabins, real prices, and real possibilities. In this video, we'll explore some of the best tiny house cabin kits that balance cost, comfort, and killer design. Whether you're downsizing, building a backyard guest house, or going off-grid, this list has something for every dreamer on a budget. Let's jump in with a kit that's charming, compact, and move-in ready faster than you'd believe. Gustaf J68, a multi-room log building kit. Price starts at $49,328. Say hello to the Gustaf J68A log cabin kit. This beauty is 19 feet 6 inches by 19 feet 6 inches, and yes, it's got multiple rooms to spread out and live big in a small footprint. You get one large open room, two cozy rooms 9 feet by 8 feet, plus a bunk area perfect for sleepovers, guests, or extra storage. That's 456 square feet of smart, usable indoor space. Whether you need a home office, a creative studio, or just extra room for your busy household, this kit is made for the DIY crowd. And guess what? Assembly is easy and quick. It ships straight to your curb, no hassle. Roof shingles are sold separately, so you can choose your style. Here's what makes it extra special. Handcrafted European-style wood windows. Yes, they're insulated. Charming wood door with a keyed lock. Bolted ceilings for that airy, open vibe. Solid tongue-and-groove walls, roof, and floorboards. Flexible design, windows and doors can go on either side. Comes with foundation runners and technical drawings to guide your build. If you're ready to add some rustic charm to your backyard or build that dreamy cabin office, Gustaf might just be the one. Ready to ship, ready to build, ready to love. Nordic J68 Building Kit. Price starts at $51,399. Looking for a stylish garden house that does it all? Let me show you the Nordic J68 Log Garden House Kit. It's not just a cabin, it's your next weekend project. Whether you want a poolside chill zone, a hobby workspace, or just some extra storage that actually looks good, the Nordic J68 is here to impress. With its modern roof design and a roomy 112 inches of headspace, this kit gives you 692 square feet of open space. Now, that's breathing room. French-style double doors? Check. Glass panel look? You bet. It's built to turn heads and add charm to any backyard. This cabin uses strong interlocking 2x8-inch kiln-dried wall logs and a solid 3x4-inch tongue-and-groove roof deck system. So yes, it's tough, durable, and DIY-friendly. Think weekend project vibes. Just add your own foundation, concrete slab, wood blocks, or even a portable skid-style base. Flooring and roofing, you get to choose your own style. Here's the space breakdown. 692 square feet of interior space, enough for a creative studio, gym, or cozy lounge. One separate room, 9 feet by 9 feet, office or guest room. 2 open bay areas outside. Total space under the roof, a whopping 746 square feet. Plus, you get interior and exterior walls, windows, doors, locks, and latches, all included. It's made to order and delivered right to your curb. The Nordic J68, where smart design meets backyard dreams. Ready to build something beautiful? Orcadia J68 log building kit with porch. Price starts $70,000. Looking to add a stylish and functional space to your backyard? Then meet the Orcadia J68, your new favorite backyard upgrade. This beauty gives you over 657 square feet of cozy, usable space that's 18 feet wide and 36 feet long, perfect for a hobby room, garden hideout, guest suite, or even your own weekend cabin escape. Need extra space but don't want to build an expensive room addition? This one's a DIY dream. It's designed for weekend warriors who love a good project. Now let's talk about features, and there's a lot to love. You get 95 cubic feet of space. Ceiling height, a tall 10 feet 8 inches. Wall height, a comfy 7 feet 5 inches. The doors, full glass double doors give you that wide open look. Windows, oh yes, it's loaded. 3 full-length double windows, 2 more full-length single windows, 2 standard double windows, and 1 single window. And there's a 4-point window too, all double glazed, keeping your space bright and cozy year-round. It even has an open vaulted ceiling with a stunning roof purlin design and tongue and groove boards on the floor and roof for that perfect cabin vibe. All hardware included. Doors and windows come with latches and locks ready to go. And here's the best part, it's made to order. That means it's crafted just for you. So if you're dreaming of a backyard escape, Orcadia J68 is calling your name. Verona J68 Deluxe ME Log Cabin with solar generator. Price $68,398. Looking to build your dream cabin getaway? Let me show you something awesome. This is the Verona J68 Deluxe ME, a stylish 2-story log cabin kit with a bonus. It includes a renewable solar power generator. It's got over 1,000 square feet of space, 2 cozy rooms upstairs, an open kitchen living dining area, and 1 extra room on the ground floor. Talk about space with style. Built tough with interlocking wall logs and tongue and groove roof boards, it's made for the DIY warrior in you. Just place it on your own foundation, slab, wood blocks, even portable skids. With the solar panels, the Safari ME Deluxe Combo Pack gives you a solar energy renewable generator which can power a wide variety of devices like cell phones, laptops, tablets, refrigerators, freezers, TVs, lights, hot plates or grills, power tools, and the list goes on. Shipped straight to your curb, no roofing or flooring included, so you can customize it your way. Your vacation home, guest house, or even your main home, just a weekend build away. AFrame Moose building. Price $38,500. Let me show you something super cool today. It's called the AFrame Moose cabin. This beauty gives you 679 square feet of total space. That's 437 square feet on the main floor and 242 square feet on the upper level. Additionally, it's got an A-frame design, tall 18-foot ceilings, and a full glass front, perfect for a home office, a cozy getaway, or even your personal yoga or workout zone. And wait, there's more. 4 full glass doors, 3 tall glass windows, a double window, a sweet little balcony, 2 full levels with an open ceiling view, beautiful wood frame with tongue and groove finish. Everything comes ready to go, doors, windows, locks, and it's all made to order just for you. Need extra space? Want to escape to nature? The AFrame Moose has got your back. Stay tuned for more awesome cabin ideas. Scarlet Log Cabin Kit. Price $59,000. Looking for a cozy log cabin with room to breathe? Let me show you the Scarlet Log Cabin Kit, and trust me, this one's a showstopper. It gives you over 730 square feet of space. Yep, that's 32 feet 8 inches by 22 feet 3 inches. Now here's the best part. 5 rooms inside. That's right, 5. Perfect for a small home, guest house, studio, or a peaceful weekend escape. 2 spacious rooms, each around 10 feet by 7 feet. 1 8 feet 4 inches by 7 feet 8 inches room. 1 cozy 5 feet 7 inches by 7 feet 8 inches room. And a huge 354 square feet open area for your living room or creative space. And don't miss this. It also comes with a semi-enclosed porch. Yep, a perfect chill zone. The vaulted ceiling gives it that open, airy cabin feel. And it's built with a purlin roof system, so it's sturdy and stylish. All that handcrafted charm it's got. Premium European-style double doors and windows, and they're insulated. Wood shutters. Strong 68 mm tongue and groove wall logs inside and out. Tongue and groove roof deck boards. Keyed entry hardware already included. Oh, and it's shipped right to your curb. Just a heads up, roof shingles, sold separately. Ready to make this beauty yours? The Scarlet Log Cabin is ready to ship. Let your dream getaway begin. AFrame 39 Building Kit. Price $54,500. Meet the AFrame 39, a modern stylish cabin with 792 square feet of space, 592 square feet, on the main floor plus 265 square feet. It features a side entrance, dining nook, and a stunning full-glass front for natural light and views. With 21-foot ceilings, 14 windows, tongue-and-groove interiors, and a solid wood frame, it's perfect as a vacation spot, guest house, home office, or studio. Built to order with locks and latches included, the AFrame 39 brings charm, light, and endless possibilities. Almaria 19 with porch log cabin kit. Price starts at $48,956. The Almaria Log Cabin Kit is a stylish multi-room cabin measuring 19 feet 6 inches by 29 feet 1 inches, offering 570 square feet. Total space, 516 square feet inside and a 54 square feet front porch. It features a vaulted ceiling with a purlin roof design for an open, airy feel, ideal as a guest house, vacation spot, or extra living space. The kit includes all essentials, wall logs, doors, windows, and hardware, just built on your foundation. Ships in 8 to 10 weeks. Roof shingles not included. Felix J68 Multi-Room Log Cabin Kit. Price starts at $62,100. Let's check out the Felix J68, a stunning 2-story log cabin that's ready to impress. Your dream getaway, guest house, or peaceful home in the woods, the Felix has it all. With over 1,050 square feet of heated space, this beauty gives you 2 bedrooms, a bathroom, and a wide open space on the ground floor for your kitchen, dining, and living area. Upstairs, 4 more rooms, including a bonus space you can make your own. Built with 2 6x8-inch kiln-dried logs and a strong tongue-and-groove roof system, it's DIY-friendly and built to last. Just place it on your slab, wood block, or skid foundation, and you're good to go. It ships right to your doorstep. Catchy, cozy, and customizable, the Felix J68 is the log cabin of your cabin dreams. And that's all for now. Thanks for watching. Which one would you pick for your tiny escape? Let me know in the comments. And hey, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss the next one.